So David, the whole E10 petrol change, I'm concerned about my car, I'm concerned about my valve seats. Is there anything in place to help protect my car against this whole ethanol change?
Well, certainly on the market there's been some ethanol protectors available for quite some time, but in line with the government having upped the minimum content of the 95 octane fuel to 10% of ethanol now, it really is time to make sure you're using some kind of ethanol protection in your car if your car is older than, say, 1995. If it's newer than that and fitted with a catalytic converter, you must not use an ethanol protection in there because it will harm the catalytic converter. But for all cars earlier than that, the remedy is pretty much the same. We recommend Classic Valvemaster and Classic Valvemaster Plus because it will treat the valve seat recession and help prevent damage there. It will certainly guard against the corrosive effects of 10% ethanol in the car. And also, in case of the Valvemaster Plus, it has Optimised Plus, which is a friction modifier to help the engine run smoothly, to give it more power, or to give it a better fuel economy. So all of those three will be protected just with one shot of this.
Sounds excellent. So I heard you talk about the Valvemaster and Valvemaster Plus. I think this one's the Valvemaster. This is the Plus. Is there much difference between the two? Which one should I be going?
Really, that one, the Valvemaster Plus, contains Optimised Plus. That's the one with the friction modifier that will help smooth the engine and actually give you a little bit more power as well. So that would be the one I would generally recommend. It's a little bit more expensive, but really not that much. And in any case, both these bottles are very economical in the sense that a 250ml bottle will treat 250 litres of fuel, which is at least 6 tanks for most classic cars. And also it's very convenient for storing. It's not going to take up a lot of room in your boot.
Excellent. So to sum up, this is going to be the perfect protection for my MGB. It's going to protect my valve seats against recession, any sort of rubber degradation, and basically protect my fuel system for years to come.
Absolutely, and if you go for the Valvemaster Plus, it will give you a bit smoother riding and a bit more power if you choose to have it. So yeah, I would thoroughly recommend it.
Excellent. Head start at the lights as well, even better.
Maybe for your age, not for me.